smoke, creating smoke-free campus. As we all know, smoking has many negative effects, not only on smoker only, but also on the people around them. That's why our campus has implemented a smoke-free policy to create a cleaner, health, healthier, and more comfortable environment for everyone. In this presentation, I will explain the purpose of this policy, the benefits it brings to student and staff, and how we can all support a smoke-free campus together. So let's begin by understanding why having a smoke-free campus is so important for our health and your improvement. Okay, background of the problem. The challenge we face. Yang key point one, first point, high prevalence of smoking among university age young adults. Smoking is highly visible in public campus space, canteen, parks, walkways. This creates a direct conflict between individual habits and public health. Hmm. This slide set the stage for the problem. It began by stating the fact that the university student age group in that has a high number of smokers. This problem is exacerbated, uh, exacerbated because the activity is not hidden, but is done openly in shared public areas, such as canteens and park. The final point formulates the core dilemma. This is a clash between an individual to right to smoke and the collective right of the campus community to have a health environment. Okay, next. Why is why is this a problem more than just a personal choice? Point first point is a public health issue. Di- Directly harms non-smokers via secondhand smoke. It's an environmental issue. Creates would spread litter and pollutes the air. It's an image issue. They make the university reputation a place of health and learning. Hmm. This is outline why smoking on campus is not just a personal matter. The problem is broken down into the main impacts. The focus is not on the smoker, but on the people around them. Secondhand smoke directly endangers the health of others War did not cause the smoke. It's environmental. The impact, the impact is twofold: air pollution from the smoke itself and ground visual pollution from the cigarettes. But what that is currently discharged, it's a image issue. University ideally promotes an image as an institution of health and education who control smoking activity directly contradicts this image. Okay, next, the dangers of secondhand smoke. The invisible threat secondhand smoke contain over 7.000 smeg with hundreds being toxic and about cause cancer. Okay, increase the risk of asthma, lung infection, and irritation for passive smokers. Cru- Crucial fact: there, there is no safe level of exposure to secondhand smoke. Mm, This slide, this slide is a deep into the public health issue. It provides strong scientific evidence quanti- quantifying the danger. The number 700 semicell and cause cancer arose to emphasize just how toxic secondhand smoke is. Specific impacts. Its name, specific diseases on conditions that non-smoker can suffer from, such as asthma and lung infection. The strongest point, the statement, there is no safe level expert, is the most critical point. It the refers that I did, that a little smoke is okay. It assert they any expert to matter how small is harmful. Okay, next. Impact on the campus environment. A polluted environment litter cigarette butts are the number one most littered item globally. They are made of plastic, cellulose, and are not biodegradable. Pollution, release toxic chemical into the soil and water system. Fire hazard, improperly discarded cigarettes and significant fire risk. This a deeper dive into the environmental issue. The little problem this point education this point educate the audience that cigarette butts are the world largest litter problem. Most importantly, it debunks a common misconception: cigarette filter are not cotton, they are plastic, and do not break down in nature. Toxicity, this litter, it's just ugly. It's toxic, the chemical with the bad poison the soil and water on campus. This safety, this is practical risk. Still, lit improperly discharged cigarette can easily start a fire in dry areas or trash bin. Okay, next. Okay. Cigarette, both was environmental environmental contamination. Cigarette butt are toxic pollutants that are contaminate our soil and water resource with wildlife impact. Animals can ingest cigarette butts, leading to serious health issue and ecological disruption. Public space. Cigarettes, but litter detect from the beauty and usability of your shared public space. Hmm. This slide likely has so many visual images to emphasize to the point from the previous slide is rate rates the three main impacts of cigarette butt waste. Number one, poisoning the environment, soil and water. Number two, harming animals on campus, like birds that make at them. Number three, making the campus look dirty and uncomfortable, which re- reduces the comfort of using public facilities. Okay, next. Solution part 1. The institution role. What the university must do? Reinforce policy, clear, visible, non-smoking, signage across the entire campus. Enforce sanction, implement consequent penalty for violation. Provide support, offer smoking, cessation, berhenti merokok, programs for student and staff. Consider optional a single isolate designated smoking area that is far from all public pets and building. Uh, this is first part of the solution. Focus on the top-down approach. Success requires confirmation from university management. The steps are number one, policy. Create clear roles and communicates them is the via signal. Environment rules mean nothing without consequence. The more be clear sanction for violators. Supportive side beside banning the insertion also help those who are addicted to quit. Compromise as option is total ban is difficult provide an specific area that is located far away from everyone else. Okay, next. Solution part 2 or individual for or individual role. What we can do for smoker, respect the rules and the health of your spurs. To use the designated area if available For non-smoke, okay, politely speak up, excuse me, this is smoke-free area. To support the policy, do not be silent or permissive. Mm. This is light, bottom-up approach, em- emphasizing community responsibility. Smoker responsibility message is about social awareness, respecting the rules and order, right to clean air, give the clear option, obey destination, area or move a campus. Non-smokers responsibility. The message is to not be a passive bystander. They are encouraged to actively but politically uphold the rules and not allow violation to happen without comment. Okay, next. Key benefits. Health. A smoke-free campus promotes overall well-being for all students and staff members. Collaboration. Success release an active campus between university police and student involvement. Clean environment. Together, we can ensure a clean, healthy space conducive to learning and growth. Okay, next. Con- Conclusion or set a goal, a healthier campus. Point one, a smoke-free campus is not about punishing smoke. It's about protecting the health of the entire community. Mm. Empathy and purpose. The first point is crucial for framing the issue. It's not about discrimination against smoker. It's about protecting community health. Point two, success requires collaboration, strong university policy, combined with active student par- participation. Um, the second point rate reiterates that the solution must come from two direction: university, policy, and student action. Point three, let's create a clean, healthy, and productive learning environment for everyone. Call to action. The third point is inspiring call to work together to achieve the ideal environment that is clean, healthy, and productive. Nice to meet you. Thank you.